Hello, my name is Chunya Kong, and today I will be explaining the theory of natural selection. First and foremost, what does the theories of evolution mean in general? It is a unifying explanation of observed phenomena, normally a hypothesis with no evidence to refute or disprove. Some well-known examples of theories of evolution are John Remarque's theory of inheritance of acquired characters, mutation theory of de Vries, and Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection. Before getting into the theory of natural selection, let's briefly talk about the founder of the theory, Charles Darwin. He is a British life scientist who served as a naturalist on the HMS Beagle, which is a ship that sailed around the world during the early 19th century. Observations he made there of the organisms laid the background for his theory. Moving on to the main part, what is the claim of the theory of natural selection? It states that organisms develop characteristics through genetic mutations that give them a better chance for survival. Individuals whose unique characteristics are better suited for their environment tend to survive and produce offsprings. Offsprings that inherit these characteristics also live to reproduce. Individuals with characteristics that are poorly suited to the environment are less likely to survive and reproduce. Over time, these poorly suited characteristics may disappear entirely from the species. The claim made by the theory of natural selection for the lives of organisms in their natural habitat can be summed up in 5 parts. First, more offsprings are produced than that can survive. This is a result of a combination of high birth rates and shortage of resources. An example would be that a fish lays thousands of eggs annually, but not all survive. Second, organisms tend to struggle to survive due to competition for food, shelter, mates, and predation in their habitats. Next, variation exists between organisms in the same species because of independent assortment and crossing over at meiosis, resulting in genetic diversity. From there, individuals best adapted or suited to their environment survive better than the other variations. Individuals that are better suited to their environment can better compete for resources and survive against predators. At last, individuals that survive pass their traits to their offsprings. Then the offsprings are more fit and their genes and traits are added to the gene pool. In summary, the theory of natural selection is a process through which populations of living organisms adapt and change. Darwin believed changes in an organism occurred through genetic changes and the environment selected for the best variation. The theory also states that individuals in a population are naturally variable, meaning that they are all different in some ways. In such respect, organisms with genes or traits that are better suited for their natural habitat will flourish and survive. In the end, individuals with the best variation for survival will pass their traits to the offspring. That wraps up my video on Darwin's theory of natural selection, and thank you for watching.